Choosing the right window installation service is a crucial decision for any homeowner in Birmingham. Windows play a vital role in the energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, and overall value of your property. With numerous companies in the area, selecting a provider that aligns with your needs, budget, and standards of quality can feel overwhelming. This guide will help you make an informed decision when choosing the right window installation service in Birmingham. Research local providers. Start your search by compiling a list of local window installation companies in Birmingham. Look for established providers with a solid reputation within the community. The advantage of hiring local is the opportunity to support businesses with an understanding of Birmingham's climate, architecture, and local regulations. Local companies often have a vested interest in maintaining their reputation, which can lead to higher standards of service. Online reviews are an excellent place to start. Sites like Google Reviews, Trustpilot, or even local neighborhood forums can provide genuine customer experiences. Pay attention to both positive and negative reviews, noting how the company responds to complaints or issues. Check for certifications and insurance when evaluating window installers. Look for industry-recognized certifications. Reputable companies often hold certifications from organizations like the FENSA, Fenestration Self-Assessment Scheme, or CERTASS, Certification and Self-Assessment. These certifications indicate that the installer meets specific standards and regulations for installation quality, energy efficiency, and safety. FENSA and CERTASS members also ensure your installation complies with building regulations, providing you peace of mind that your new windows will be safe and durable. Additionally, verify that the company is fully insured. This protects you as the homeowner if any accidental damage occurs during the installation process. A properly insured company demonstrates professionalism and responsibility, so don't hesitate to ask for proof of insurance. Consider experience and expertise. Experience counts in window installation. Look for companies with several years of experience, ideally with a range of projects in different types of homes. An experienced installer can handle unique challenges, from traditional homes in Birmingham's older neighborhoods to modern properties. Additionally, inquire if they specialize in specific types of windows, such as double glazing, UPVC, or timber windows. An experienced company will also understand the importance of proper installation to maximize energy efficiency, which is especially important for Birmingham's variable weather. Properly installed windows can significantly reduce your energy bills, improve indoor comfort, and increase your home's resale value. Ask for a detailed quote. A professional window installation company should be willing to provide a detailed quote before any work begins. This quote should include the cost of materials, labor, any additional fees, and an estimated timeline. Be cautious of companies that provide vague estimates or push for an immediate commitment. When reviewing quotes, remember that the cheapest option is not always the best. High-quality windows and skilled labor may come at a higher price, but the investment is worthwhile if it means better long-term results. Ask about the warranties on both the windows and the installation work, as these can protect you from future expenses if something goes wrong. Evaluate customer service and communication. The right window installation service should prioritize clear communication and excellent customer service. From your initial inquiry to the completion of the project, a reputable company should keep you informed and be readily available to address any questions or concerns. During consultations, pay attention to how well the representatives explain the options, answer your questions, and show an understanding of your needs. If you feel pressured into making a quick decision, this can be a red flag. Quality installers take the time to understand your requirements and provide personalized recommendations that align with your goals and budget. Review past projects and ask for references. Most reputable window installation companies have a portfolio of past projects. Reviewing these can give you an idea of the quality and consistency of their work. If possible, ask for references from previous customers, particularly those in Birmingham. Talking to past clients can provide first-hand insights into the company's professionalism, punctuality, and how they handled any challenges. Some companies may also have a showroom where you can see samples of their work or materials. This can help you understand the quality and style of windows they offer, helping you make a more informed decision. Conclusion: choosing the right window installation service in Birmingham involves careful research and consideration. By evaluating each company's reputation, certifications, experience, pricing, customer service, and references, you can make a confident decision that aligns with your needs. Remember, quality installation is a long-term investment that enhances your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall value. Take the time to find a company that respects your home as much as you do.